Amber and Fab?
Yes! And I don't know what's this vlog.
Yeah, you have no
I have no
idea about
idea.
this one. What are we going to do for today, Mommy?
Yes, today, since ang tagal na nating quarantine, no?
Nakakulong daw.
Noong 2020, halos buong taon yata, nasa loob tayo ng ating mga tahanan, no? So, for today's vlog, naisipan namin na to cook our favorite
Street food!
Yeah, our
Yeah.
favorite street food.
And we're going to have mukbang street foods.
Wow!
Yeah. Mukbang street foods.
Oo, kasi namimiss na natin yung tumusok-tusok.
Yeah.
Yung mga fish balls, squid balls,
Yeah.
kikiam sa mga kalye ng ating
Ayan.
I remember that when it was 2019 or 2018.
What?
2019. We're going outside India.
And we
And,
buy,
Kikiam.
we buy kikiam and
That's my
fish ball.
favorite.
Yeah.
That's
I
a
attacked
tindahan.
that.
Oh
I
yeah.
attacked.
So samahan nyo kami guys. Samahan nyo kami kumain ngayong araw. Gutom na din kami.
Yes!
Gutom na. Tara na tayo
Yes!
magmerienda. Let's go!
One, go.
And we're back! Woohoo! Ready na tayo guys. So
Yeah.
these are all the street foods that we prepared and cook kaninang tanghali. Ayan,
Yeah.
niluto namin yan. So ngayon, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano-ano yan. Ready na ba? Ready na? Ayan, so we have
Mini hot dogs.
hot dogs,
Hot dogs. Squid balls.
squid balls.
Kikiam.
No, this one.
Oh. What's that?
This
is
one is toknene.
tukneneng.
Yeah.
Ang kwek-kwek yung maliliit.
Kwek.
Oo. This one is Fish
chicken
balls. Fish
Chicken
balls.
right? Chicken balls.
this
That one is the...
chicken balls and
Kikiam.
kikiam.
And for our, so this won't have a taste if we don't have this sauce.
Yeah, I cooked my special sauce para sa ating tusok-tusok. And we also have this, guys. Kung nakikita nyo yan,
Wow.
nakababad siya sa tubig. Meron tayong singkamas. At meron tayong, nasa na yun? Mangga! Singkamas at mangga.
We have birthday cake.
No.
What?
Plus, meron tayong ginisang alamang. Yan. Ginisa ko siya sa sibuyas, sa kamatis, at saka sa konting liempo.
Wow.
Yan. At
Special.
meron rin tayo ditong special sausawan
Toyo.
ng tukneneng. Ayan, yung suka natin na merong pipino, na merong sibuyas. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang
Mais.
sweet corn, guys. With cheese
Oh
and
my God.
margarine. Yan, di ba nakikita natin yan sa kalye? Binibili natin yan. Ayan, naalala ko nung high school ako, ito, yung mangga at bagoong sa labas ng gate, pag uwian na yan, bumibili ako niyan palagi. Ikaw, Mami, anong lagi mong binibili dyan?
Lahat yan.
Lahat lahat binibili.
Nagtitira ng baon para sa street food.
Ayan. At syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang street food mukbang natin kung wala tayong
What is that?
meron tayo dito melon juice. Ayan. 5 piso lang, guys. Baka gusto nyo. Ayan. May palamig tayo
Piso.
dito. Ayan.
There.
Woohoo! Ayan.
I
Let's go. Kain na tayo.
Tayo.
Okay.
Can I have this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want. Oh, syempre, kailangan natin na...
Ay, syempre kailangan natin ng
Sticks.
Yes.
careful.
So, be careful
Kids,
na.
careful sa paggamit ng stick.
Okay, Amber, what do you want?
Ayan. Kapag gagamit kayo ng stick, make sure
Hot dog.
kakain lang, hindi maglalaro.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Ooh.
So, Amber likes this
Hot dog.
hot dog.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Wow. What?
Yummy.
Hot dogs. Wow.
Mine, I
Wow,
like
it's so
the
squishy.
meatballs.
This is so yummy. So good.
Yeah, ngayon ang sweet,
Yeah.
ang sweet balls ay the dos isa.
2 piso.
2 piso.
Yummy.
Yan. Yeah, this is my favorite. Daddy's special sauce.
Kain tayo.
Wala nga lang labuyo eh.
Mm.
Wala mabilihan.
Walang mabilihan. Yung iba kasi gusto nila yung medyo maanghang na sauce.
What is labuyo?
Sili.
Oh, wow.
Mm.
I also want that. Let's go.
Sarap.
Kain tayo. Di ba kapag bumibili tayo dati sa
Nakakamiss.
ganito siya ganito yung itsura niya. Tapos yung fishball, ate, ganyan, itutusok mo siya. Tapos isasawsaw mo dun sa sauce. Pero ngayon alam ko bawal na yung
Yeah.
pabalik-balik na sausaw, hindi na yun pwede, ate.
Tsaka yung iba
Yeah,
talagang
alam.
meron silang
may cup na.
cup para,
Your own cup.
Yeah.
para meron kang sarili mo ding sauce. This one is chicken balls. So madali naman ma-identify yung chicken balls sa sweet balls kasi yung chicken
It has
balls parang
pepper.
maliliit na paminta.
And asim.
Yeah, medyo maasim yung chicken balls.
Try what Daddy made
Wow.
a while ago.
Ate, tissue. Ate.
Mm.
Mm.
How about you, Bert? Do you want sweet balls?
This is so delicious, guys. It's so good for family bonding.
Yeah.
Si Amber, hindi yan ang batang hindi nagsusauce.
Batang hindi nagsasauce.
Yeah.
Guys, gawin natin to. Yung sweet corn natin, lalagyan natin siya ng cheese
Cheese powder.
and cheese powder. Yeah.
Yeah.
Medyo dagdagan natin na yung cheese powder. Plus, lalagyan natin siya ng
Sweet balls.
Yeah.
margarine. Excuse me.
Balls.
This
No.
is sweet balls.
This one. Let me
Ah,
try
you like that?
fish. Yeah.
Yan, lagyan natin ng margarine.
How about hot dog, Amber?
Yan.
Whoa.
Ate, nakapag-try ka na ba nito?
I
Diba?
never tried that before.
Ayan. Kalimitan, yung nagtitinda nito, nagtitinda rin siya ng mangga at bagoong. Kasing kamas kasama siya. Ayan. Kapag nailagay na yung cheese at saka yung so hahaluin lang natin siya, ate.
Wow.
Ayan.
It's a popcorn.
No, it's not a popcorn. Hahaluin natin siya. Oh. Yan.
Kikiam. Kikiam, anyone?
I want this.
Yan, Amber. Si Amber, mahilig kasi siya sa mais.
Yeah.
Kasi doon siya pinaglihan ni Mami sa mais.
She was born.
She was born sa puting mais.
No, yellow.
Doon siya yun yung laging hinahanap ni Mami nung buntis siya.
Yeah.
Ah.
Amber eats that when it falls at the tongue. Yeah. Wow. Look at that kikiam.
Careful with the sauce.
Can I try it?
Wow. Mmm.
Can I try some?
Mm.
Like it?
Wow.
Kikiam.
Wow.
Kikiam,
Look at
guys.
that kikiam. It's so
Yeah.
like a
Mm.
What else, Amber? Oh, let's try this.
Yeah. Ni mangga.
Ang paborito ng lahat, singkamas na may
Bagoong.
bago. Oh, yan. Naalala ko nung elementary ako talaga naman.
Medyo maliit yung mangga kasi ang ginamit lang namin ay Indian mango. And maliit lang siya. Galing lang to sa kapitbahay, guys. Sa tapat ng bahay. O, di ba?
It's free.
Yan.
Look at that ice
Yummy.
cream. Let's try this ice cream.
You want it? Nathan? You want?
Let me just try your bit.
Yummy!
I like more.
Nagustuhan niya ang fish ball. But I thought,
Yummy.
sweet balls. You like sweet balls?
Mmm.
No.
So good.
Delicious. Yeah, that's mommy and daddy's favorite.
Masarap yung bagoong
Ate, do you
kasi
want some fish ball?
binibili ko to sa market na
Which one?
maganda yung pagkakalinis ng bagoong.
Mm.
Mm.
Yan.
It's so good, guys.
Pwede niyong gawin to sa bahay, guys. Kasi, ngayon, bawal lumabas.
So, sarap.
Wow, look at these hot dogs. I remember when it was going to be 2020, we always have this. Also at my birthday. And we go outside with us, and we always buy this and this.
Lamig.
Nom nom nom.
Melon juice. For only 5 pesos.
Wow.
5 pesos lang, guys.
Daddy, don't buy that, but subscribe us so you can have it. Here. See? Yeah, here. Here. You do it by yourself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy did that.
Wow, look at that.
One more mangga.
Wow, Daddy likes the manga.
Yeah.
Sarap.
So guys, ayan, nakita nyo, hindi kami umubra sa aming street foods mukbang. Meron pang mga natirang konting squid balls, chicken balls, kikiam, at saka meron pang 2 tukneneng. Ayan, konting
Popcorn.
corn, sweet corn, at saka yan, mangga at bagoong. Pero pahinga lang tayo ng konti. Mamaya yan, panigurado, di ba Ate Fab?
Yeah.
Mamaya yan, titira uli yan si Ate Fab.
Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe,